This project captures the interior spaces of a multi-story building using high-precision point cloud technology. The entire building is recorded at true scale, creating a clear and accurate digital representation of existing conditions. This data allows us to understand how the building is actually built, not how it was originally designed. We can identify floor and ceiling levels, detect elevation differences between floors, and review the alignment of key structural elements. By working with verified as-built information, design decisions become more reliable and planning risks are significantly reduced. The point cloud serves as a trusted reference for renovations, retrofits, and future design work. All spatial information is brought together in a single digital environment, making it easier for different teams to work from the same source of truth. Architects, engineers, and consultants can review the model, take measurements, and coordinate their work with confidence. The model can be seamlessly integrated into CAD and BIM workflows, supporting drawings, 3D models, and technical documentation. Ultimately, this approach turns complex building data into a clear, usable digital asset that supports better decisions throughout the life cycle of the building. If you like our video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.